What's up, guys? Welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today we're standing on this beautiful, brand new 2026 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, you can see huge bow seating area. I could flip this backrest up. We could throw a table in here. You could sit out here and have a sunset cruise, just kind of hang out, enjoy that time out of the water with your friends and families. Just a great area to kind of congregate, enjoy music, whatever you're doing. Just have fun while you're out for the day. Heading back into the cockpit area, we do have this large window and windshield. So this is great for really anywhere you're going to do your boating. You got air conditioning and heat inside, so you can throw all the covers on, or you can open it up as much as you want with the side lights and the sunroof up above with this huge hardtop, tons of glass, great visibility for a captain, just all around an amazing boat. Up here at the helm / co-captain area, you got two double seats, both with flip-up bolsters, so you can sit high, sit low, however you're comfortable. Over here at the helm station, huge Simrad screens. You have everything that you need in here to run this boat. It's got your maps, your engine data, radar. Everything is very user-friendly, very easy to use. This boat is equipped with twin 600 Mercuries. Great power option for this boat. No, you don't lose visibility when you're getting up on plane. Just amazing top-end speed. Handles conditions. It does have a seat keeper, so you can get rid of some of that roll back and forth. Digital throttle, joystick. The joystick is awesome. You got skyhook in there. You can really control this vessel with just one hand. Put this boat wherever you need to go. All your light up halo switches here, so you get some redundancy as well as your controls that are in the screens. We're going to step down below and show you the cabin area. So down here in the cabin of this Sea Ray 370 Sundancer, you can see I'm 6'2". I can pretty much stand anywhere that I have to. You got some natural light that comes in with the skylight up above. One of the awesome features of this is you have it's not a wet head, you actually have a separate head and shower. Able to accommodate, it's got a little bench in there. Just a great option on a 37-foot boat. Forward, you have an area that converts into a sleeper. So you just hit a button over here on the side. That's going to flip up and you can sleep two people up front there. And then in the back here, we also have a aft cabin. Right now it's set up for kind of lounging, but you can put a filler piece in there and make that into a bed as well. So you are able to accommodate 4 adults for a long weekend getaway. Whether you're up here in the Northeast, then you want to run down into the Chesapeake, or if you're in Florida, you want to run over to the Bahamas or down to the Keys, you're able to do that. You could spend a week on this boat easy and not feel like you're crammed in. So over here downstairs, you do have the little kitchenette area, refrigerator, microwave, some storage, freshwater sink. Your controls, all your electric panel is nicely tucked away underneath the backrest of the seat there. Nice and hidden away and easy to access. So we're going to head back up and go through the rest of the cockpit. So back here in the cockpit, you get another little kitchenette area, if you will, galley area. You do have a Kenyan cooktop. These things are great. It's electric heat, so you get heat that spreads out all over the entire surface. So if you are cooking, some people think, oh, it's a tiny grill. It's really not. You can cook about 8 to 10 hamburgers on here. So as many people as you're going to have out on the water, you can have an accommodation for that. Another fridge underneath here, trash can and some storage. And then you can cover everything. So I can put this sink away. And once I'm done cooking, I have a nice area that I can put out the food or drinks or, again, whatever you're doing to enjoy your time out in the water. Huge wraparound seating area. Again, very beamy boat. Great space up above, so if you do have a lot of guests on board, you don't feel like you're standing on top of each other. You don't really have to shuffle around to be able to move around the boat, which is great. Underneath our feet here, we've got the nice infinity flooring that snaps in, very comfortable to step on. If you got little ones and they're going to trip and fall, they're landing on something a little bit of padding. This seat right here is actually, you can flip it to the other way to face out, so if you're anchored somewhere, if you want to beach the boat or whatever, you can kind of watch the kids out in the water. You got a space that you can do that. And then again, as I talked about the enclosure, so if it's shoulder seasons or if it's super hot out, you can just throw the canvas up, keep this area either heated or cooled, and it just extends your seasons on the water. Again, I'll talk about the power plant. You got the twin 600 Mercury V12s, great power option for this boat. I mean, this thing is a rocket ship. It really checks off every box that you're looking for something that you can sleep aboard, or if you just want to be able to take it out and do some day cruising. This is a great boat for that. So thank you for taking this quick walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Again, my name is Bill Herr. We're here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule a private walkthrough, you can reach us at 609 926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.